This is one of the mountain ranges we're at right now. I wanted to show this to you, put this in this video. It is it's a Wednesday, and it's about 11 o'clock, maybe 10 o'clock in the morning. We just drove through a whole bunch of fog. Yeah, we're about to go down that road right there. See where we're going? We're gonna go check out this lake here. Yeah, it's a lake way over there. It's stunningly beautiful, it really is. Actually reminds me a little bit of the Appalachians. Maybe up north in Maine has got a couple of areas like this. And there it is. Wow. How big that one is? Well, we are about to go through it in our car. I don't know if I should pull my mirrors in. I might need to, huh? I'm over there. I didn't want to pull my mirrors in. I'll pull this one in. Are you good?
Mm-hmm. Good to hold.
We're fitting though. I'm glad I got a small car. I'll pull that mirror in because I'm only about 6 inches from the side there. Wow, that was neat. Did all the rest of them. Oh, that was cool. It's a big one, no question. So our next adventure takes us to Leggett, California, which is known for the chandelier tree, which is also known as the drive-through tree that you can drive your car through. There's actually another one here that's got asphalt all around it, but this one here, is that not a big one? It's huge. It's still alive too. It's amazing. That's not like faking. It's probably, I don't know, 150 feet up. It's amazing. And surrounds some of these other huge trees. Tons of them. Check out the size of this one. 6 feet up is here. That thing is huge. That's really cool. Get you climb on it at your own risk. I just want you to see how big this thing is. It's massive. We're going to go to another spot that's got a big tree, a big cross section too. They've also got some cutouts of some giant Sasquatch. They got several of them here in the park. Some are bears and different animals. In fact, there's a bear back here. There he is. I got a Bigfoot here. It's here in Leggett, California. It's famous for the drive-through tree. I know her. Whew! Just came out of all that. Now we're at the ocean side. The Pacific. Not a bad place to pull off the side of the road and have lunch. That's what we're going to do.
It's recording.
That's all we can do. This place here is called Seaside Creek Beach. The sand is like really fine. It's not even like a grain. I'll show you here in just a minute. Check it out. I mean, it's really fine. Think about sticking our feet in there. Not really. It's Pacific Ocean. You don't ever put your feet in the Pacific Ocean. One, it's cold as crap. It's like 55 degrees or something. The water. Out here, it's See, she's got her jacket out here. It's about 65, maybe 61. A little chilly this day in April. That water comes all the way in and pushes this driftwood all the way up against this shoreline here. That's where we're parked, over that way. Not a ton of people out here though, so that's good. We'll take a walk down here to this Hoya Park. Maybe a little beach down here. We're about to find out. Looks like some rocky areas. Reminds you of some other places. Some places in Hawaii got a big rocky area like this, and also Ireland. Oh, is it? Oh, it is. Oh, well, now I'm mad because we should have saved our lunch. We could have done a picnic here. Oh, but no, I was too freaking hungry. Beautiful views. It's probably almost 70 here. She decided to go back. It's neat. Still see it every day, that's for sure. Especially out here on this little island area. The flowers. Here's one laying down. From down here to there is about, I'd say 8 to 10 feet. That's this thing laying down. And then it's right next door to this dual massive, which that one there's about 7 feet wide. It's massive. It's a monster. And this has got several of them grown together. So this base is huge. The base of this one. There's two going up there. That one there. That base is probably 14 feet wide. It's amazing how big these are. They're gigantical. Get on this side of the road.
Left and not the right.
Yeah, it's nice. Such a beautiful drive. Only about 60 miles of this, which is kind of a long way, but man, it's better than being stuck in traffic in downtown Atlanta or someplace, huh? Hanging out here by the Russian River, right behind the RV park. Nice little area. It's actually on property. River goes on back that way. Big hill. We're not climbing up that. We're going to go back up the way we came, which was up that way. Nice and quiet though. Can't hear the road from here. So here's one other place on our journey. Check this out. Wine country. California. We're actually just north of Napa Valley, about an hour's drive, I guess, but there's a whole lot of wine between here and there. All kinds of wineries. In fact, I just left a Healdsburg. Healdsburg is just south of here, and they've got a whole lot of wineries there. You should check that city out. Pretty cool. We are out here in front of actually a Habitat for Humanity store. It's in Marysville. Marysville is right across the river from Yuba City, which is why this thing here says Yuba Machine Works. They got some big old pictures here on the side of the wall. They've done a really good job with it. Check that out. Old Chinese place to eat. Wow, I love these old pictures. They're huge too. I mean, they're like, these are like 3 feet, and that's like 6 feet. Huh. Interesting. This is the Pony Express Monument here in downtown Sacramento. It's actually part of their old town. He's a little larger than life. maybe 1.5 times. This is old Sacramento. The main interstate's behind me, as you could probably hear. But this has got an old town feel to it, doesn't it? Renovating a lot of this, trying to revive it. Lots of school kids here too. Old Sacramento. Down here at the waterfront. Most waterfronts in these older cities coincided with railroad. Because, you know, they come up, ferry up the water, and then they jump on a railroad where the water can't take them. Kind of a cool place. There's a nice big riverboat there. You can probably hear some of those noises. That's a seal right there. See him? Right there. A bunch more down that way. A long way from the ocean. All I got to say about this monument of Theodore Judiah is, boy, it's a busy interstate behind it. Theodore Judiah. It is right here downtown at their historic area. That's the worst thing about this place. I swear it's so close to the interstate. There's so much noise in it. You got it set up so you can walk around downtown in these cool little shops. People try to, and you're right here next to the river, so you're kind of sandwiched between the river and the interstate. Sculpture Garden in Roseville, California. And there's this thing. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, it's a big one. It's like 50 feet up. Maybe 100 feet up. It's huge. Yeah, with that bottom piece there is 4 feet. Wow. Walking in the park. The dog.